I began to think why Sai Baba should call me by the name Hemat Pant. This word is a distorted form of Hemat Pant. This Hemat Pant was a well-known minister of the kings Mahadev and Ramdev of Devagiri of the young Yadav dynasty. He was very learned, good natured, and the author of works such as Chaturvarga, Chintamani, dealings with spiritual subjects, and Raj Prashasti. He invited and started new methods of accounts and was the originator of the Modi Marathi shorthand script. But I was quite the opposite, and ignoramus and the mediocre intellect. So I could not understand why the name or title was conferred upon me. But thinking seriously upon it, I thought that the title was a dart to destroy my ego, so that I should always remain meek and humble. It was also a compliment paid to me for the cleverness in the discussion. Looking into history, we think that Baba's word calling Mr. Dabholkar by the name Hemat Pant was significant and prophetic, as we find that he looked after the management of Sai Sansthan very intelligently, kept all the accounts properly, and was also the author of such a good work, Sai Satcharitra, which deals with such important and spiritual subjects as dhyan, bhakti, dispassion, self surrender, and self realization. Hemat Pant has left no note, no memo about what Baba said regarding this subject, but Kaka Sahib Dikshit has published his notes. Kaka Sahib went to Baba and asked, Baba, where to go? Baba said, high up. Then the man said, where is the way? Baba said, there are many ways leading there. There is no way from here, Shirdi. Also, the way is difficult. There are tigers and wolves in the jungle, and the way. I Kaka Sahib asked, but Baba, what if we take a guide with us? Baba answered, then there is no difficulty. The guide will take you straight to your destination, avoiding wolves, tigers, and ditches, etc. on the way. If there be no guide, there is a danger of your being lost in the jungles or falling into ditches. Mr. Dabholkar was present on this occasion, and he thought that this was the answer Baba gave to the question whether Guru was a necessity, and he thereupon took the hint that no discussion whether man is free or born, if of any use, is spiritual matters, but on the contrary, real Paramartha is possible only on the result of the teaching. Instance of great avatars like Ram, Krishna, who had to submit themselves to their gurus, Vasistha and Sandipani respectively, for the getting self-realization, and that only virtues necessary for the such progress as faith and patience.